Hello friends and welcome back to another Plan With Me video. Today I'm going to be using this adorable kit by Happy Daya. Love, love, love Happy Daya. This is one of the subscription kits and I think it's called Witchy Panda. Witchy Panda, that's what it's called. And look at these foiled pages that you get. This kit has so much stuff in it. There's so many pages that instead of ordering two, which sometimes I do when I'm going to share stuff with my daughter, I figured there's so much here that we can just share this entire kit together. And I know that these pages look a little washed out and it's the lighting. It's not really that washed out. They're not, they are pastels, so they are light, but they're not that light. Sorry, but my lighting, I have to have good lighting or else everything looks kind of yellowy, so it's kind of weird. But so I'm going to start off by putting down my washi and my date covers and all the stuff that I usually do and tell you just a little bit about Happy Daya, just in case you are new to this channel or have never seen this type of stuff before and you are interested in them. You can check them out. I will leave them linked below so that you can go see, but as of right now when I'm filming this, which I think this video is going to go live this weekend. So I don't know if this information will be any good, but if you like these subscriptions and you like all the stuff that you get, go check them out because she opens up her subscriptions usually at the beginning of, so this started September 28th for Country Living. That's the next one, and it's going to be going through October 10th where you can sign up for the subscriptions. And yeah, so hopefully this will go up in time. But if not, and you just really like this and you want something like it, you can always just keep an eye out for the next one and start following them. They have a Facebook page that you can follow on so that you can get all the updates and know when things are coming out, get the sneak peeks, all that kind of stuff. It's kind of same stuff that I do on my Facebook, in my Facebook group. You just have to go find them, join, and then you can get all the information. And I think there's codes that you can also put into your order where you can get extra freebies, like you need any more freebies. I don't know if you've seen any of my unboxings of Happy Daya stuff, but goodness gracious, there's so many freebies that come with this that you are set for like the entire month. And I think that's kind of the plan with these monthly kits, is just to give you enough to get you through the whole month of kind of playing with this theme. And yeah, she definitely does that. You'll definitely get a lot of stickers. So because I'm sharing this kit with my daughter, I'm going to be using only half. I really want to use all of the foiled stickers right now, but I'm being good and I'm not hogging them. I'm going to share them for her so she can get her half of the foiled and then her half of the non-foiled stickers. So I'm just kind of putting everything down, getting everything ready. This particular setup here is for the week of the 4th. So it's October 4th through, I don't know, the 11th maybe? I can't remember what the last day of this week is. Sorry if you can hear my dogs barking, but they bark at everything. Literally everything. Right now I think they're barking at the cat. So yeah, and I can't get them to stop. They just won't. The worst part about it is when they get going like this, like the cat can't do anything right. Like all he's trying to do is get into his bed and they're barking at him. So he's just, he's like their nemesis. Planner. The planner that I'm using is my Avalon and 9 7x9. This is the full-size planner, and this is my shop planner. So everything that goes in here will be mostly shop related. I did kind of pull out my Avalon and 9th weeks planner to start doing because I love my stickers so much and I love putting down like 150,000 stickers. I never leave myself enough room to write. So, I mean, I do leave myself enough room to write all the things that I need to know about the shop stuff, but I don't have any room for like YouTube videos, Plan With Me's voiceovers, keeping up with all the Instagram stuff, posting on the Facebook group, etc., etc. So I pulled it back out. I had it out before, and then I put it away when I got the TPC hybrid planner because I thought that planner and this planner was more than enough, and I didn't need any more than that, but I do. So I do need a social media planner, so that's what I'm using my ANN weeks for. And so now I can continue with my overstickering obsession and not leaving myself enough room to actually write anything down, which is kind of what you're supposed to do with a planner, right? Right? Yep. Except if you're me and you just love to have all these stickers. It's very like cheaper than therapy. How's that? I mean, these stickers can get expensive if you're addicted like I am and you like can't keep yourself from buying them. It can be, but still not as expensive as therapy, so I'm okay with it. So I'm just going to keep putting them down. I'm trying to think of what else is going on this week. So once again, the TPC sale starts on Thursday and runs through until Monday, and I'm working Thursday through Sunday at the hospital because that's just the way it has worked out for me for the last 3 months in a row where I've not had the actual sale dates off. So going to be trying to work around, like, get up a little bit early every day, come down, print cut, start like sorting through orders and try to get things, because I try to be somewhat quick, but I think actually this time it might not be so bad because TPC announced last week. So if you're a TPC person and you're here, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But they announced the Black Friday box, and so like everybody else, I am like eagerly awaiting the Black Friday box to come out. It doesn't come out until October 25th, but I kind of feel like most people are like me, where you're just trying to hold on to your pennies a little bit more so that you can get the TPC Black Friday box because it's a really good deal. They're not cheap, but they are stacked, packed full of stuff. So if you order the Black Friday box, you're going to spend about, if you get both the box and the mailer, which she promised that there was going to be no overlap, you're looking at $180. So I kind of feel like people are kind of saving their pennies for that. So this month's sales might be a little bit lower than what we usually do, but that's fine. I mean, between the villains kit and everybody seems to really like that, and the sale, I'm fine. I'm fine with it not being like crazy, and on top of the fact that I have to work, so not having 500,000 orders to process is okay this month. I'll be a little sad if it happens again next month, but this month I get it because I'm right there with them. I'm even gonna try to scale back on ordering from shops. I think I've only ordered from a couple of shops so far, like filled my basket from a couple of shops of things that I absolutely had to have, which I will haul them for you when it gets to that point. Isn't this cute? So, so cute. I love this. So I'm just putting down the rest of my sidebar, trying to be nice and not take all the glittery stuff. And that's pretty much going to be it. I think I'm almost pretty much to the end of this. So I've already started using this week. It's adorable. I love it. I just love this. Thanks, guys, so, so much for stopping by. I really, really appreciate it. Hope you like this plan with me. Hope you like the Happy Daya, and I will see you again real, real soon. Don't forget, everything will be linked below. Have a good day. Bye-bye.